Welcome to SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola, Department of Applied Science online lecture series. Today, online lecture on course Engineering Physics, Unit 5, Magnetism and Superconductivity. In the previous video, we have already seen magnetism, application of magnetism, properties of magnetism, also seen what are superconductivity, properties of superconductivity, Josephson effect. Today we will discuss about application of a superconductors. Superconducting transmission. What is application of superconductor? Superconducting transmission lines and electricity. Superconducting magnets. Frictionless bearing. Electronics. Medical and transport. Let's see one by one. Superconducting transmission lines and electricity. In this application, minimum heat losses, carrying a large power, high current carrying. Superconducting materials. The type second superconducting magnets. The type second superconducting wires are wound in the form of solenoids to generate strong magnetic fields of an induction about 20 telsa. The size of this magnet will be small compared to the ordinary metal wire wound electromagnets. In superconducting magnets, intense magnetic field, compact and more efficient setup can be operated for longer duration. The superconducting wire has to be maintained at the liquid helium temperature and the cost of the power will be 1000 times less than the cost of power required in an ordinary electromagnet of the same capacity. Next, frictionless bearing. The Meissner effect is made use of in the bearing. No lubrication and maintenance. Why frictionless bearing? They have no lubrications and maintenance. The mutual repulsion between the two superconductors due to the repulsion between the magnetic field they generate can be embodied in a bearing and the bearing would operate without power loss and frictions. It also contains more efficient bearing. It has high driving speed and frictionless motor. Next, electronics. The superconductor cable permit high power transmission without the power loss. High temperature superconducting wires may soon replace the wire operating at the liquid helium temperature. In electronics, Josephson junctions, we can also use superconductors in supercomputers, also superconductors used in SQUID, transistor, circuitry connections and integrated circuit fabrication. Magnetoencephalography and magnetic resonance imaging. In transport, the application of superconductors used in aviation, propulsion, maglev trains. So student, I hope you have understood these applications. Also we will see some more applications. Electromagnetic suspensions is used to reduce frictions between the train and its track. This application of transport also use electromagnetic suspension. Superconducting material coils produce the magnetic repulsion required to levitate the train. Maglev trains will not slide over the rails but will float on an air cushions over a magnetized track. Application of superconductors are particle accelerators. Superconductors has very poor mechanical strength. Then superconducting solenoid is already in use to provide the high magnetic field needed for the large particle accelerated using. The world first maglev trains to be adopted into commercial service. A shuttle in England shut down in 1997 after operating for 11 years. A Sino-German maglev is currently operating over a 30-kilometer course at Pudong International Airport in Shanghai, China. A few countries are using powerful superconducting electromagnets to develop high-speed trains called maglev trains. Thank you.